Horses mean the world to me. I grew up around them, been riding since I can remember, 2 or 3 years old, and then ended up going to college with a rodeo scholarship riding bulls. So I've been around rough stock and horses and roping, broncs my whole life. And without this, I don't even know what would happen. No sense being here if you can't do the things you love. You know, God's grace and Dr. Mark, I was able to keep doing this kind of stuff. Hey, good morning. My name is Chuck DeCoit. I'm from Maui, Hawaii. Behind me is my horse, Gus. He's also from Maui. Had him flown in here to California so we could compete at a World Series team roping here at Madonna Inn. Now, getting into my story, I was a farrier for 20 years, shoeing horses. You're bent down all day long and it takes a toll on your back. Started having back pains. It'd go out maybe once a year and I just deal with it, and started getting worse and worse. And one day we're at a team roping and this horse right here got a little spooked. He stood up with me and hurt my back pretty bad, and I knew something was wrong. So ended up being bedridden for a couple of weeks, and it wasn't going away like it normally does. And this time I couldn't power through it. Started watching YouTube videos and came across a gentleman, Tony Mork, and started watching some stories, kind of like what I'm doing right now, and started giving me some hope that maybe I could get fixed. I had a consultation with him, got an MRI done, sent it to him, and Dr. Mork, you know, went above and beyond trying to find out what was wrong. And turns out I had an extra vertebrae, L6, and I mean, he worked tirelessly to find out this deal. We had a bunch of scans, called in some favors, made it happen, and had that surgery. And when I woke up, you know, being in so much pain for so long, you know, a couple of months, waking up from that surgery, all the pain was just gone, and it just a sigh of relief. And I did what Dr. Mork said, did the protocol, stayed off horses, which was hard for me because this is my life. I don't know what it's like to not be around horses or ride horses. And did the protocol. I think in 6 weeks I was able to get on for 5 minutes, and then a little bit longer after that, and until I got to start roping again. And now we compete at a pretty good level. Sometimes it doesn't go as planned, but at least I'm able to rope and compete and be around, you know, good people and horses and beautiful environment. Living without pain, doing the things I love. If you're out there watching this, yeah, I'm a pretty tough guy on the exterior, but inside I was scared, and only my wife was able to see it. I kind of hid it from my kids and everything. When they'd come home, I'd put on a, you know, smiley face and kind of hobble around the house, and everything's all right, Dad'll be fine. But if you're out there, and you're scared, find some help. And Dr. Mork, he can do it. Trust me, I'm a believer. All right.